Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel ABR Fake. In case you are new to the channel, like you're visiting the channel for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please, to do yourself good, watch the video from the beginning till the end. Alright, missing a step here is dangerous. Okay, so watch this video from the beginning to the end if you want to get values from this video. Okay, the video tutorial is about how you can make money online from the comfort of your home using your Android phone, your smartphone, or internet enabled phone. How you can make money online without a set skill. You don't need any skill for you to make money on this platform. All right, I'm going to be guiding you, show you what you should do. All right, you don't need to be a good writer, you don't need to know how to voice, or maybe a voiceover artist. You're not a voiceover artist, you don't know about graphic design, web development, web design, all of this stuff. All right, but I will put you through. I'll show you what you should do, the things you should do on this freelancing site for you to make money. Make 100%, like almost 70% of the income will come to you, while the people that will labor for you will take 30%. All right, so just stick with me to the end of the video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Drop a comment in case you're confused about any part, or maybe you want suggestion. All right, now, like you see, this person you're seeing here, they really are trained for this. They are trained for this. Okay, you cannot just stand up and start doing what they are doing without learning it. You must learn a thing before you can be able to do it. But in this regard, you must not learn how to write, how to make a video, or maybe how to blog or do any freelancing job on this platform I'm going to be showing you before you can make money. Okay, they are taught these things, they learned it, they took their time to learn all of these things before they are able to repeat it, or maybe reciprocate it, or should I say repeat them often without making mistakes. All right, so if you're not good at anything, there is no way you can make money from it. But irrespective of this fact that you don't have any skill, I'll still guide you. All right, show you the perfect way to make money online without stress or hassle. All right, like I said earlier, you may not be a developer, or a web developer. You're not a web developer actually, but I will tell you how you can win this job, how you can get this job, then get people to do it, then you get paid. All right, you must not be a web developer before you can do this. You know, web development is some set skills. It's a marketable skill on Fiverr, Upwork, and some of these freelancing website like freelance.com. all right, they are marketable skills that anybody can make money from. Okay, you must not be educated in this aspect, like get the skills before you make money from it. And I will show you, like I said earlier, you must not be a web developer, a web designer. All right, though you can use some of these simple tools like Elementor to run these things, but you must not be. Okay, so the first thing you are supposed to do here is find the job, get people to do it, and you make your money. All right, just like your simple shopping attitude, like how to just show how you can just shop online. All right, so there are other jobs like writing job on this platform. You can write and make money, but you're not going to be writing. Just set up your profile, do the necessary things, and you are good to go. You don't need to write anything. All right, you don't need to write anything, even if you're not good at voiceover. All right, you're not good at voiceover, you get people to do these things and you get paid. That's what we call drop servicing. When you do this drop servicing, you get paid, then you pay your clients. You are rendering service to someone, and someone else is rendering the service. Then you pass the job over, and you are good to go. Like, let's assume that maybe you go on Fiverr, you look for this job. When you search, like when you go on Fiverr, you search for this job. When you search for the job and you win the job, you get other persons who have these skills. Maybe you're getting the job at $40. You get someone who know how to do this, then you hand the job over to them. It could be SEO job, search engine optimization. This is one of the skills that is most important as well. Web design to rank your page on SERP. All right, like the normal writing job, this can be done using some other persons. Okay, now this is what you should do. You go to Facebook, join groups that talk about web design, maybe writers, bloggers. Join of this group, then you ask that you need writers, group of writers. Whenever you can get them, you bid with them. Maybe let's say most times 1,000 words go for 1,000 naira, and as a Nigerian, you know $30 is more than 1,000 naira already. Okay, whenever you get this job, you disseminate this job to these people on Facebook, the people you saw on Facebook, and you do it. All right, let's just do this simple mathematics. Now let's go to Fiverr. Here we are on Fiverr. All right, so now let me enter this thing and scroll to the logo side of it. Okay, so let's scroll down. Here you can see logo design. You see something like WordPress, voiceover. We see video explainer, common explainer video like the one I'm doing now. All right, a kind of explainer video like the one I'm doing. You see something like illustration, translation, data entry, book cover, which is like logo design as well. Okay, these are skills, these are jobs. You just set up an account on Fiverr. You need to set up an account on Fiverr. Whenever you set up this account on Fiverr, you go to the logo design, you click on any of these, and you can see that someone is charging $10, which is more than 1,000 naira. Other is charging $20. Some are $100. Some are 120. You're seeing 10. All right. So like this person is selling for $100, and the other person is 400. He's a pro Fiverr. He's verified, a pro verified. All right, with 4.9 rating. Okay, this person is charging 10. So for you that is starting out, you can just charge as less as let me say $5. Okay, you will charge for $5. Whenever you charge for this $5, you know $5 is more than 1,000 naira. Okay, $5 just calculated by 5 times 560 as in Nigeria, or maybe you are in South Africa, some of these African countries. Whenever you multiply this by that number I just said, then you can offer this job to the people that can do it. Whenever they do the writing, you get paid, then you pay them 1,000 naira per article. You deliver a clean article. All right, so you keep making money with this method. Even graphic design, you can look for the graphic or the writing, everything, or even the web development. You charge them, you give them this service, and they offer the service to you. Then you pass it on to your clients on Fiverr or Upwork. These are simple ways to make money. You need to be smart to make money. You don't need to work so hard to make money. It's as simple as that. All right, something simple as that. With that method, you can make a whole lot of money online without a service, without a set skill. You can make a whole lot of money online. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All right, subscribe, then comment, and I'll tell you more. All right, thank you.